Hey everyone, Morgan here. So today I am opening up a 4-year-old, about a 4.5-year-old homemade MRE. So in a previous video, I did not a taste test, but I opened up a 2-year-old MRE, homemade MRE. Now this one's almost a 5-year, 4.5-year. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this one has been vacuum sealed, and it has, stuff that pretty much should be fine, for long periods of time, the Spam singles, the ranch and the tuna, but these are in pouches. They're different than canned, so they may not be good. So let's go ahead and see what the best buy dates are. Now this best buy is 2018. Spam lasts a long time, even if they're in pouches. 2018. And remember, this was packaged in 2015. Okay? Let's see, this is a best buy of 2017. So that's 2 years old. And then this is a best buy of 2018, which is a year. And this is a best buy of 2016. So it's 3 years. And then this was one of my very first MRE, so it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. This one is 2016. All right, let's open it up. These utensils, you think they're still good? That was actually something I didn't have in my new one, which is so silly. You should definitely always have utensils with your MREs. I don't know why I didn't have it in my newer ones. So weird. Okay. All right, so this is the Nature Valley. Oh, here we go. Really doesn't look that bad. Looks pretty standard to what you might find on the store now. It does smell a little, I don't know how else to put it. It smells a little old. Like it smells like maybe it's been sitting on the counter for a couple days or something. But it's still very crispy. I am going to take a bite of this because it just smells like, it just smells kind of stale. Yeah, it's stale. That tastes extremely stale. But, well, it does taste a little bad. Tastes a little stale and just a little bad. Would I still eat this? Maybe if I'm really, really hungry. Okay. This completes meal is what I'm really curious about. This is the spaghetti and meat sauce. I have opened up a complete meal like a year after expiration and it was totally fine. But this is 3 years. Alright, so here's how it looks. It doesn't smell too bad. It really doesn't actually. It smells like spaghetti, but it looks like the sauce is very congealed. And normally, when you eat a complete meal, at least, yeah, it kind of looks like that, like a little saucier, not so kind of congealed over here. But this is not bad. It actually, once you dig in a little bit, here, let me smell it. It smells okay. It really doesn't, it does not smell bad. It does not look bad. I really don't see anything. The bottom bit looks like, I don't know, I mean, I'm tasting the sauce and it really doesn't taste bad to me. Okay, so this tuna, I'm gonna smell it. Smells like ranch tuna. I don't know, it really doesn't look that bad to me. I'm gonna just put it to my tongue, just kind of. I don't know, actually. Yeah, let me. It definitely is not. Definitely does not taste fresh. Ooh, it's hard. It doesn't smell bad. It tastes a little off though. Just a little off. It doesn't taste terribly bad, just a little off. Okay, as far as this pouch salmon goes, It smells a little stale. It's the best way I can put it. Like, it doesn't smell like fresh salmon. When you have these packages fresh, they smell like fresh salmon when you open it, and it tastes good and you know, smells good right when you open it. It looks a little weird. It just doesn't smell very salmony, which it should when it's fresh. It just smells I'm doing little bits of taste tests. It does not taste like salmon. It tastes kind of stale and old. Very interesting. Does it taste bad though? Not necessarily, it just tastes a little old. All right, now for the Spam. Oh yeah, these are 2 years old. Okay. But Spam should still technically be good. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, look at that. I don't know about that. Smells like Spam though. It does look a little kind of discolored. Sometimes the packaged Spam like this will be like that. I think if you are going to use the packaged Spam, I would use just the full Spam, not the light. All right, well, there you have it. The completes, I think, was still good. I think some of this is still completely edible. You know, it's at that point where it's like, I'm starving. I haven't eaten for 2 or 3 weeks and I need to eat. All of this, I think, is still edible. It just tastes kind of old. Like, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste rancid. It does not look rancid or smell rancid. They're just a little off. You know, like, this is definitely stale, but still edible. You know, so this is definitely interesting. And of course, you know, like I said in my previous video, you want to know what all this stuff looks like fresh and, you know, not past the Best Buy, you know, just how it looks and tastes fresh so that you can know to compare, well, if this doesn't look good or this doesn't taste good or it doesn't smell good or whatever, right? So anyway, so that was a 4-year-old homemade MRE. Thank you all so much for watching. Comment tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all later. Bye.